Hi everyone, this is the 145th video of the ACT Math Practice Problem series, and here we have an interesting problem from trigonometry. As I always recommend, before seeing the solution, you can pause the video and give it a try yourself, and after that of course you want to match with my solution. So let's get started. Here the question says, if sine of x plus y over sine of x minus y is equal to a plus b over a minus b, then tangent of x over tangent of y is equal to which of the following 5 options? We know that sine of x plus y is equal to sine of x times cosine of y plus cosine of x times sine of y, and similarly sine of x minus y is equal to sine of x cosine of y minus cosine of x sine of y. And because we have to find the value of tangent of x over tangent of y, somehow we have to bring the left hand side ratio into a single term ratio, because right now it is looking like there are two terms, right? Sine of x cosine of y plus cosine of x sine of y. So those are two terms there. Somehow we have to try and bring them into a single term or convert them into a single term, right? So what can we do? Well, there is one property of proportion which is called componendo and dividendo. We can use that property to convert this into a single term ratio. So let's try that. Well, let's first try to understand what is the componendo and dividendo property of proportion. So for example, if we have a is to b is equal to c is to d, then from here using the componendo dividendo property of proportion, we can say, well, a plus b over a minus b is equal to c plus d over c minus d, and that's called the componendo dividendo property. So then for our problem, what can we do? We have sine of x plus y over sine of x minus y, and that is equal to a plus b over a minus b. And now if we use the same componendo dividendo property, then what can we say? Well, from here we can say then sine of x plus y plus sine of x minus y over sine of x plus y minus sine of x minus y, and that will be equal to a plus b plus a minus b over a plus b minus a minus b. And now if we simplify this, this is now going to look like, if we add sine of x plus y with sine of x minus y, the negative term and the positive term will cancel each other, so we are going to be left with sine of x times cosine of y and two of them, so that would be 2 times sine of x and cosine of y divided by sine of x plus y minus sine of x minus y. Here the positive terms will cancel each other, meaning the first term will cancel each other and the second term will survive, so that would be cosine of x times sine of y and two of them of course. And then on the right hand side we have a plus b plus a minus b, so plus b and minus b, they will cancel each other, so we will have 2 times of a over we will have 2 times of b. Now this 2 and this 2, they will cancel out each other. Here again this 2 and this 2, they will cancel out each other. So now we are going to be left with sine of x times cosine of y over cosine of x times sine of y, and that is equal to a over b. And from here can we say like this, sine of x over cosine of x times 1 over sine of y over cosine of y, and that is equal to a over b. And then from here we can clearly see that the first factor is nothing but tangent of x, and the second one is 1 over tangent of y, and that is equal to a over b. And from here we can say, well, then definitely tangent of x over tangent of y is equal to a over b, and that is our answer. And if you look at our answer options, we have a over b under option A, so option A would be the correct option. I hope everything made sense. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.